everybody, it's me again, and today I am headed to do another kitchen sink in Nashua. So wish us luck, and I hope to see you at the end of the video. Thanks. Alrighty, let's see what.
Okay.
It's your kitchen sink, right, honey?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Cutest little dog ever. Cutest little doggy ever.
Hey, come on. So it's this side.
Hi. Yep.
But that side did back up at first.
So does one back up into the other, or is it just
I
kind
think
of
something from here? I don't know if something with the disposal. Somehow this is, I don't know what's going into
side?
this one. Yeah, it's usually just that side.
That's weird.
Come on.
Let's see.
Come on, come here. I have to put you in a corner. Come on.
So do you have the stopper for the garbage disposal side? Like the plug?
This?
Perfect. Too much. Okay, so that goes down good.
That doesn't.
Well.
So I don't know. I mean, is it put together right? Is it?
It's just probably something stuck right in here.
Okay.
Alrighty. So I think I'm just gonna have to take apart this section here.
Yeah.
This right here.
Yeah.
And just kind of clean out just that section, and you should be fine.
Okay.
So-
Yeah, because I mean, we don't usually even use that side.
Okay.
But I mean, I'm careful when I put down the disposal because, you know, I don't
Yeah, nothing ever goes down there.
Yeah.
Children. I get out of school and now I gotta call my mom every 2 seconds.
Well, that's good they check in.
Alrighty, so yeah, I'll go get the bucket and
Okay.
I'll open this up and I'll just clean out that little part for you and then you'll be good.
Okie doke.
Okay?
Sounds good. Hey, be quiet.
Oh. Well, I found the clog, honey.
Ooh.
Do you happen to have any paper towels that kind of let loose on me as I was taking the pipe apart?
Oh, I have lots of paper towels.
It just decided to let loose on me as I took the pipe apart. Yeah. I don't like it when it does that to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. It has fun doing what it wants to do.
That's enough?
It should be. I just don't want to leave this mess under your sink here on your things. So it definitely came out of the disposal.
But I wonder why.
Well, what happened, it must have backed up here at one point, and you didn't realize. So what happened was it backed up into this section here.
Okay.
And then pushed all of it. It's like
It's a chunk.
Right. It was a longer section.
Yeah.
And so it just kind of filled it in.
You can actually take those out. I can always get more of that stuff. I'm not worried about that.
Just don't want to leave a mess under your... Just toss it in here. Well, they all didn't get ruined, just the two in the back.
There we go. We get a whole roll.
Thank you.
So now, going forward, using the disposal, it should be okay?
You should be okay using the disposal. I still wouldn't put like coffee grounds and...
Yeah, I don't put potato peels. I don't put pasta down there, nothing.
Right, anything that really absorbs water, I wouldn't put down. And anything that's super stringy, like asparagus, and things like that, I wouldn't put down. Every so often, put ice cubes in it though. That will sharpen the blades.
Oh, okay.
And it will also deodorize it for you.
Okay.
So every so often you want to do that.
Because sometimes I'll heat up the kettle and pour boiling water down the...
That'll deodorize it too and clean it. The only thing is that when you do that, if there is any grease, so the way they make olive oil, you have to think of it this way, is they grind up all the vegetables to make the oils and the fats.
Yeah.
And that's technically what your garbage disposal is doing. So it's going to make all those oils. And then it's going to build up on the inside of the pipe. Yeah. And eventually everything is going to get caught. So if you're pouring boiling water down there, it's not going to solidify. It's actually going to make it a liquid. It'll go down farther. But what will end up happening is it'll get to a certain point and then the pipe is cold. So then it solidifies again.
Oh, okay.
So your best bet is to use cold water. We actually have... a bacterial enzyme cleaner that you can pour in. It's good. It's septic safe, so it's actually good for your pipes. It's not like a liquid plumber that can eat away at the pipes and stuff.
Yeah.
And it's called Zep is the brand name, and it's called Drain Defense. I don't know if you're good with computers, but we have a YouTube channel, which is why I'm recording. And down underneath, if you go to our YouTube channel at Drain Addict, there's a link to get it. It's called Drain Defense, and you can order it right through Amazon, right through that link. It'll bring you right to it. And you can put that in there once a month, and it actually eats the buildup on the inside of the pipe.
Okay.
So
it's almost like the enzymes you use for your septic system.
Exactly. And you can put it in any drain. You can put it in your kitchen sink. You can put it in your shower. You can put it in your bathroom sink. And what it does is it eats all that buildup. It won't eat the hair.
Yeah.
But it'll eat all the other buildup.
Okay.
So that way the hair doesn't get stuck on it.
Okay. And it's called Drain Defense.
Yep. And you would think that when you say it's a live bacteria, you would think that it smells bad, because usually when you think bacteria, you think, oh, that's gross.
Right.
It actually doesn't. It smells amazing.
Ah, good.
Because I don't like bad smells.
Surprisingly,
because I do this for work, and I don't like bad smells. It doesn't smell bad.
Huh. Okay.
So. Yep, you just pour that in once a month, and it eats the buildup, and like I said, it smells good, and it works in all of your drains. You just pour it in, let it sit overnight, and you're good, you know. So
would you put it in both sides?
I would, because even if it just sits in the top of the garbage disposal, it's going to eat the buildup that's inside right in there.
Right.
So we're going to rinse out this some more, because I made a mess in your sink. So yeah, all it really was just a buildup from over time using the disposal.
Yeah.
I want to rinse out that section. Alrighty. I think that was the easiest one of the day. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, I'm actually going to take this right out at the same time because my hands are wet. And I'll get the book and I'll write up your slip.
All right.
Alrighty, guys, that does it for that one. Nice, quick, super simple, easy one. Just stopped up right in that little section. So, hope you enjoyed the short little video. And yeah, glad to see you made it to the end. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button for me. Help us get to 1,000. That'd be great. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching.